Hi there, this is Angela doing another maths video. This is from a calculator paper, question 6. Question goes like this. There are 495 coins in a bottle. So the most important bit of information there is 495 coins. A third of the coins are pound coins, so a third and pound. 124 of the coins are 50p's, so 124 and 50p's. The rest of the coins are 20p's. Work out the value of the 495 coins. So they want the value of it, so what it is in pounds or pence. I'm probably going to work in pounds. So here we go. So I'm going to write this information out more clearly for me in the space below. So we've got 495 coins, so that is our total value of coins, for total number of coins, not the value of the coins. I know that a third of the 495 are pound coins, so I need to work out 495 divided by 3, because that's how you work out a fraction of an amount. You divide by the bottom and times by the top. So here I'm just going to divide by 3. If I times by 1, it won't change the answer. So this will tell me how many pound coins I've got. So I use my calculator. So I bring my calculator over here. Can't get it to move. There we go. So I'm going to do 495 divided by 3, and this equals, if I bring it back over there, 165. So I've got 165 pound coins. The next line says I have 124 50p's. So I have 124 50p's. And then the penultimate line has the rest of them are 20p, so I need to know how many 20p's I've got. So I'm going to do the total, 495, take away the 165 pound coins, take away the 124 50p's, and that leaves me with 206 20p's. So what does this mean? So this means I have 165 pound coins, let me underline it, I have 165 pound coins, 124 50p's, and I have 206 20p's. But as the question says, I want to work out the value, so we need to work out the value of them. So here we go. So we've got 165 pound coins. Well, if I times that by pound, I will get 165 pounds. So that's the pound coins worked out. Now I have to do the 50p's. Now I'm doing 124, but I'm timesing by 0.50, because that's what 50p is in pounds. And I get 62 pounds. So that is the value of the 50p's when you add them all up. I then finally have got to do my 20p's, which is 206, and multiply it by 20p, but in pound terms that is 0.20. So this gives me a value of £41.20. Then all I have to do is total those amounts, the 165, 62 and £41.20, and I get a total of £268.20 for my final answer. This is the value of the coins. Well done for having a look through that. Maybe you can try one like this again. You can always pause this video and play it back again and see if you get the same answer as me. Good luck. Bye.